Dear parents and students, welcome to the Test Prep Card channel once again. In this video, we are going to talk about the top engineering colleges in Bangalore. By top engineering colleges, we mean two things. First is the government or the public engineering colleges in Bangalore, and second is the private engineering colleges in Bangalore. It might be difficult to cover all of them just because you know that there are approximately 110 engineering colleges in Bangalore, including both government and the private, where most of the institutes in Bangalore for engineering are private and they are very reputed one also. So in this video, this video is going to be short just to give you an overview of the engineering colleges available in Bangalore. And just in case if you need a detailed information, because I'm pretty much sure that you are not just looking only for the names, you must be requiring about their eligibility, about their quota, their fee, entrance examination, and more lot on that. So for that, I've already given the link in the description below because that is a little bit elaborative, and I'll try to keep this video short. So I'll just list out the names, the top names of engineering colleges which belongs to the government category. Okay, so here are they. The first college which is of prime importance in Bangalore, which is also a government engineering college, is IIIT Bangalore. Second is Raja Rajeshwari College of Engineering, also known as RRCE. The third one is Government Ramanarayan Chelaram College of Commerce and Management. The fourth is Government Engineering College, also known as GECR. The fifth one is Government Sri Krishna Rajendra Silver Jubilee Technological Institute, also known as SKS JTI. And the last one is Government Women's Polytechnic, also known as GWP. As we have already gone through the list or the names of the top engineering colleges in Bangalore, which belongs to the public category. One thing that I would like to tell you here, that probably the higher percentage of the viewers who are watching this video may belong to India, but there are people who must be looking for information from Middle East or from Southeast Asia or from other part of the world, as they know about the NRIs. Okay. For them, I would like to tell you, see, you should not just worry about the top engineering colleges in Bangalore or in Kerala or in Tamil Nadu or in Gujarat or whatsoever it is, because you've been given a privilege by the MHRD, which is the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, about DASA and CIWG. If you do not know about that, it is critical for you to know about it. And just to help you out, we have already created an ebook on that DASA and CIWG. I have given the link in the description. Just download that, go through it. I think most of your doubts will be solved, because right now you just know the names of these colleges, but you do not know the eligibility criteria. Okay, there is a separate eligibility criteria for you and some privileges also, okay, which a normal Indian student doesn't get. Now coming back to the same platform for Indian student and the NRI students, the thing is, as far as the eligibility criteria is concerned, in most of the government colleges in Bangalore, universally JEE Main is accepted, okay, because it's a national level examination which you have already given. Your rank and your score will help you in getting into the desired stream based on your counseling. And those who did not give JEE Main or who do not prefer to give JEE Main for any reason, the second eligibility criteria or the entrance exam that you need to give is COMDEC or KEAM. Okay, these are also accepted in these universities, but you need to check specifically for each one of that. Okay, but largely these two are accepted. In terms of eligibility criteria, 10+2 with physics, chemistry, mathematics. Your aggregate should not be less than 60%. If that is the case, you will be able to make it to these engineering colleges. As far as other colleges and the private engineering colleges in Bangalore are concerned, just go to the description, connect with us, let us know what information you need, and we'll be more than happy to provide you with that. So I hope this video has provided you sufficient information, at least an overview. So thanks a lot.